playing time.
Zono Troppo Rico, top 3 for you there. Sounds like something Spanish. Spanish is so cool. Wish I would know Spanish. Well, that might be Portuguese as well. We'll go, everybody. What's there? Tell something about yourself. There's nothing much to tell about myself. I like flying drones. Drones are pretty cool. 5X Sompachenko, but not the regular drones you can buy in a store like DJI or something. FPV drones. It's a pretty cool thing. Google FPV drones. If you're into electronics, if you like building things, if you like soldering, for instance, well, might be a pretty interesting thing for you to do. And we're probably going to conclude this session with another crazy time, ladies and gentlemen. I really hope this is going to be amazing. And now, we jump in this wonderful universe of different multipliers. Let's go. Welcome over here! You're at the Crazy Time bonus round, everybody! Let's go! You got 3 flappers to choose from. The green, the blue, and the yellow. Choose wisely. That was Hunter X Max, and I wish you all the best. That's the double for the yellow flapper. Ladies and gentlemen, 200 X Maximum, enjoy. And another one. Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, 400X on the line. Enjoy! Yo, man, that's another one. That's another double. That's 700X collect to you. What is happening? Yo, man. That's 1,600X. Enjoy. What? What is this? What is this? No! Yes, 3,200. Good luck. Well, we finished off already. That's 320X on the yellow. Congratulations for the winner. That's 20X for the green, 10X for the blue. Yeah, we're going to
Just round up living at 2001. It's where 30 turners goes front in SSS. The last turn, something just got better time. Is running. We keep going. Nice voice. Thanks. When you smile, I smile. Oh, 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 oh. Hey, Early. Find us crazy time. Good luck. That's why, huh? That's why you make me smile. Come on, come on. Crazy time. Crazy time. Crazy time. Stop. Don't dare you. Woo! Guys, take over crazy time with a 5X on top. Yeah, baby! Yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh, gee! Woo! Woo! Guys, look at that! Long time waited, crazy time, and with a 5X on top. All right, babes. Woo! Let's put it on! 5X in house! Yeah! Each of the segment 5 times bigger. Oh, I'm losing my words. So, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow flapper, guys. You have to decide you. Do the thing now. Do the thing now. And let's get a fire. Woo! All right, most of you decide to choose the blue one. Max 30,000 X! Yeah, baby, let's go! 125 on the green, 250 on the blue, and 125 on the yellow. Good luck. Hey.
Good luck, everybody. Take all time. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you go to the restrooms, what is the game you need to play? Yes. When you go to the restrooms, yes, when nature calls you, good luck. What kind of game should you play on a phone? Good luck, everybody. 5x on Pachinko. It is some top slots. Yes, speechless. I just love dad jokes. No, they're in total. They are dad jokes. Good luck, everybody. All the best. So 5x on Pachinko it is. Let's move it. Oh, would you move? Yes, yes. Stop. Yes, Pachinko with the 5 times multiplier. Ladies and gentlemen, let's drop down the puck. Let's drop down the puck. Let's go. Let's drop it down like a hot potato with a 5 times multiplier. And it. Woo-hoo. Hopefully a lot of double cheeseburgers. But let's see where we're heading up. So 2x. Okay, we can build. 20, 25, 40, 100. Double cheeseburger and a 5 times multiplier. Woo! Yeah! So 500x is the biggest multiplier, and there is a double as well, which we call a double cheeseburger. So good luck, everybody, and let's see where we're heading off. So all the best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Puck, make us proud, please, sweetie. Make us proud. Yes, double. Go to that double or 500. Double or 500. Double or 100. 500. Okay. 500. Yes! Woohoo! Yes, we did it. 500x, baby. Woo! 5,633 winners out there. Query backup. Hefner, your tone is out there. Great job. Query tone is 62,625 years. Woo! Let's get it on! 30 times here.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the